Hello, this is George with Loan Savers Direct out of the city of Rancho, Cucamonga. I'm doing this video to help home buyers or the people who want to refinance. What documents do I need to prepare when I apply for a mortgage? Basically, if you want to be prepared, if you want to be ahead of the game, if you want to be if you don't want to sit and the lender asks you, do you have this, do you have that, can you tell me what is this, and then you're sitting and guessing. There is no guessing. You have everything in line. You ask for it, here you go, you have it, and things will go much smoother and things will go much faster, and you get what you're looking for much faster. The numbers, the loan estimate, the loan moves much faster. Everything goes like that when somebody is really prepared. Here's a list, a brief list. I'll go through it to know, and it's very simple. Sometimes it's only 4 or 5 documents. I put everything in here, but you will see that it's pretty simple. Everyone is going to have either ID or driver license, so you're going to provide that. Now, if you are divorced, then you need a divorce decree, complete document of divorce and divorce decree. If you have a child support, then you need to have the court order for the child support. If you have a bankruptcy, then you need to have the discharge document along with all the VK papers. But if you don't have these, then you're not providing them. Only providing in this section is the ID, only one document. And most clients provide me this document. But regardless, if you have any of these, I'm sure you have them somewhere in your file cabinets or between your files, and you just provide them. It's very simple. Now, when it comes to the income, it depends what category you fit. Are you employed? Are you self-employed? Are you retired? If you are employed, then you need W-2s for 2 years. Most recent 1 month pay stub. So if you get paid every week, you need 4 pay stubs. If you get paid every other week, you need 2 pay stubs. If you get paid once a month, then you need 1 pay stub, the most recent one. And then you need your tax returns for the last 2 years. If you are self-employed, then you need your tax return for personal. If you have a company, you need the company tax return, always for 2 years. And then the most recent financial statement, year-to-date financial statement, profit and loss, balance sheet, profit and loss mainly. And then if you are retired, then you need your Social Security award letter if you receive Social Security. You need your retirement award letter if you receive retirement income from some sort of job that you used to work at. And then you would need the 1099 for every one of the income that provides you with the 1099s. You would need that 1099. So that's the income. So you're gonna be fitting under one of these 3 sections. Now, you could be under both, and then you could be employed and then you are retired at the same time, and you receive Social Security and you still gonna have a job. Then you would need to provide both to show the income. Now, under assets, you would need to basically provide bank statements. And you need to provide, if you have any 401k, if you have any stocks, whatever it is that you have, to show that whatever you have assets, you need to have it. But if you have stocks, 401k, any of these items, then you would need to show also the withdrawal policy. So that means you are allowed to withdraw out of it. Some retirement plans, some programs, you are not allowed to withdraw out of it until your age of 65. But some of them will allow you with some penalty. So you would need to provide that one to show the underwriter that you do have the withdrawal policy will allow to withdraw money. And then the last part, if you have other real estate property and you're buying another one, then we would need all this information about your current real estate property, your mortgage statement, if you still have mortgage on it, your property tax on the property, your hazard insurance on the property, and if the property is rented, we would need the rental agreement. Really, it's very simple. Most of the clients don't have the current property, meaning they sell and buy, or they are first time home buyers, or they sold and they're gonna buy right now, so they don't have this section. They would need to provide one of these or both of them. They provide W-2s and tax returns, and right now they are asking for 1 year W-2s and 1 month pay stubs, but we ask for 2 year in case the bank asks for it, because sometimes they go and extend the request for it. And then the personal stuff, they provide an ID, and probably if they have a child support, they provide the child support. And end up like 4 or 5 documents. That's very quick, very simple. They fax it, or they scan it and email it, or they drop it at the office. You know, I mean, I'm local in Rancho, Cucamonga, and they come, drop it off, we'll scan it and give it back to them immediately, and it's all good, and things will continue. So these are the documents that is required normally to be prepared before you try to qualify for a mortgage. My name is George again. Here is my number. That's our website, and this is our Facebook. Look forward to hear from you if you have any pre-qualification, if you need any help with any mortgage to buy a house or to refinance. I'll be more than happy to help.